core philosophy at the School of Design Innovation in Mahindra University is this paradigm shift from design to design innovation. So we work across disciplines, and we also bring in this very deep respect for the problems at hand and empathize with users a lot. So these values of design thinking creates this paradigm shift where we're looking at how we can come up with ideas and concepts which reach the market. We're going to look at entrepreneurship as a core value. The students are now ready for the new world. They have to get the skills which technology cannot beat. And the skills which students learn are these skills of deep empathy, understanding our society, understanding the requirements at large, and then using the design thinking skills, coming up with creativity, and taking all that ideas and concepts to markets. We start with very simple grassroots innovation projects. Then they come up with working with incubators. And then they work with small and medium scale industry. And of course, then they're left to work on entrepreneurship or work with large enterprises. So the constraints make better designers, constraints make them become more creative. So I strongly feel that design education, moving towards design innovation is the right path. The industry exposure is vital for the students. So when they meet these entrepreneurs or when they meet these industrialists, they actually learn the whole constraints which the industry goes through. So these constraints, form up a very, very strong empathy towards bringing ideas to market. Currently, we are working with this wonderful client, Ramoji Film City. The client has given us this challenge that please design merchandise for us so that our brand goes up as well as we can make both revenue. The students have come up with such wonderful design ideas. They've gone to vendors and prototyped the same, made multiple iterations. I'm so glad that such type of very, very early design interventions from the students can give them so much impact of learning from industry. Our program is very unique. We call our program Design Innovation. We don't call it Design and Innovation. When you have one word, Design Innovation, you have no choice but to embrace technology. You have no choice but to be empathetic and deeply sympathize with culture, society and people at large. And when you are design innovation, you have to be entrepreneurial. You have no choice there. And when you are design innovation, you have to look at sustainability. You can't leave it to somebody else. So we're looking forward to build a very, very good India, which is vibrant with wonderful products which are ingrained in our culture and society and our requirements.